Now, mineral acids are the acids that are obtained from the different minerals that are present on the earth. Okay? And mineral acids are mainly man-made acids. They are man-made acids that are prepared in lab. For example, HCl, also known as hydrochloric acid. It has hydrogen and chlorine. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. It has hydrogen and sulfate. Then HNO3, known as nitric acid, which has hydrogen and nitrate. Beside this, there is one more mineral acid, H2CO3. It is known as carbonic acid. Carbonic acid has hydrogen and carbonate, though it's a weak acid, and all the three other acids, HCl, H2SO4 and nitric acid, they are strong acid. HCl, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3 and H2CO3, carbonic acid. These are the mineral acids. Now, next type of acid that we are going to study is organic acid. The acids that are obtained from plants and animal material. Okay. These acids are totally different from mineral acids. Mineral acids are man-made acids and they are obtained from minerals. Organic acids are obtained from plants and animals. Okay. Now, when we see all around us, there are many food items in which different organic acids are present. Mineral acids are strong while organic acids are weak. Okay, they are less harmful to our body. For example, milk. Milk has lactic acid. Vinegar or sirka has acetic acid. Lemon has citric acid. Tomato or tomato has tartaric acid. Tamarind has oxalic acid. And suppose a ant bite you. Okay, ant sting has formic acid. Besides these acids, organic acid, lactic acid, acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid, formic acid, we have methanoic acid, butanoic acid. These are all types of organic acids and we can consume it and they are not harmful for our body. Now there are two types of acids, strong acids and weak acids. Strong acids are generally mineral acids. Okay, these are strong acids: HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, and organic acids are weak acid like citric acid, lactic acid, methanoic acid, formic acid, acetic acid. These are all weak acids. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the next concept, that is concentrated and dilute acid. Concentrated acids are those in which the amount of water is very less, and dilute acids are those in which the amount of water is higher than the concentrated acids. Okay. Now I am going to tell you how you have to add water in acids, because whenever we add water to acids, it's a exothermic reaction. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा हीट जनरेट होती है, इसलिए जब भी आप एसिड्स को डाइल्यूट करते हैं तो सबसे पहले यू हैव टू टेक वाटर, इसमें वाटर ले लीजिए, एंड देन यू हैव टू पोर एसिड, सो दैट इसका कितना भी टेम्परेचर रेज हो तो वो कम हो जाए बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वाटर, एज द रिएक्शन इज एक्सोथर्मिक.